you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up. Even though we say we never do that, so here we go. Acting like we do, we say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a Decorate With Me video. I'm showing you some ideas on how you decorate with florals. I hope you enjoy. Guys, recently I was taking an Instagram photo and I placed all my fake flowers in my sink. I thought they looked so pretty and it inspired me to create a YouTube video for you in regards to florals. Now the first DIY I'm going to show you involves a wreath. What I did is I just took a wire wreath from Spotlight and I had shopped my own home for different colours of pink flowers. Now most of these guys come from either Kmart or from Bunnings. So I started to play around with the design, and all I'm doing here guys is hot gluing the flowers to the wire wreath.
Wanna hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're not chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real. All I know is that you're in my head, like chemicals, oh wow, chemicals,
You're going to continue to hot glue them around until the entire wreath is covered. Now the key here with my wreaths guys is I tried to create so much fullness. It gives a really statement to your wreath.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night.
Now originally guys I wanted to just add it to my door doing the traditional way of hanging a wreath. I actually added a black and white buffalo check bow from Amazon to the front and I really liked it, but I actually wanted to show you another way of styling your floral wreath. So we're now in my breakfast area and I decided that I was going to use the wreath as my table centerpiece.
No shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal.
So once I've placed it in the middle, I'm going to add my beautiful Glam two-tiered tray.
Something greater, like standing on a stage and hearing all those people shout my name. But now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. So
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high.
Now, to create some extra fullness, I took these bunches of flowers that I recently picked up from Spotlight, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place them in the centre of the wreath.
Like this right now.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long. Guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win a surprise that you pay with this tonight. So keep playing hard and aim for the stars. Cause to win a surprise that you pay with this tonight.
I'm not gonna lose myself this time.
Once it was completely full, I started on my 2-tiered tray. Now on the first level, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this buffalo check truck. I'm then going to add this little pink and gold teacup, and I've added the little fake creamer to the top, and on the right hand side I'm just going to add some pink fake flowers. Now I didn't want to add too much to the trays because I wanted the wreath to be the focal point. Now I'm just adding to the very top my beautiful crystal swan.
Suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Now guys, another way for you to decorate with florals through your home is through your cushions. Recently I was in Spotlight and I came across the most beautiful floral cushions. I love the combination of the burgundies and the pinks, and I knew these would make a beautiful floral statement in my home.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out.
Now I also wanted to share with you guys this beautiful coffee table book that I recently picked up. It's Audrey Hepburn in the 50s, and I'm so in love with this beautiful book.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud. Love out loud.
So guys, now I'm going to move on to another simple DIY using flowers. I recently picked up these beautiful paper flowers from Ronnie's Home Depot, and I am loving rattan decor at the moment, guys. I think it is so beautiful. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these rattan vases that I got from Spotlight, and I'm simply just going to place these flowers inside.
Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Now, I ended up adding these to the shelf in my dining room, and I absolutely love how they came.
He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you.
Guys, decorating with florals can really brighten up a space. Even the fake ones really touch my heart. I have a lot of florals throughout my home and I'm loving them. I'm very, very happy that TK Maxx every season brings out some beautiful fake florals, and they're very affordable, so I can have them throughout my home.
Favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home.
Now, my final idea when decorating with florals is your artwork throughout your home. I was lucky enough to get this beautiful canvas last year on Amazon. Now, unfortunately, it's completely sold out, guys, but if I can find it elsewhere, I'll link it down below. And what I did is I added it into my guest bedroom, and I stuck with a very navy and blush pink theme, but I was drawing my inspiration from the book London in Bloom.
I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating with florals.
I'm thinking about you.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and home tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.